Hi guys, it's me, Damacy boy, and I imagine this shot looks really weird. Let me adjust something right quick. Ah, phone! What? Lies! I don't care! Anyway, it's me, Damacy boy from LeeroytheCreeper, and here at Leroy we try to keep interesting content coming to you guys and experiment with a lot of different kinds of content. So, we have recently been discussing just posting some stuff of us in our regular lives, doing mundane and or interesting things to, you know, try to keep the interesting content flowing. So, today, for your daily dose of Damacy, we are going to make pancakes and eggs. Don't ask me why. So, before we start actually cooking or mixing, this step could probably hold off, but I'm going to go ahead and get it done. Here at Leroy, we always encourage safety first, okay? If it seems dangerous, don't do it unless you have proper safety gear. Now, what are some proper safety utensils? Cat, I swear to God, stop eating plastic. No, bad kitty. I have a goat for a cat, and that really is a cat. Okay, so, what are the proper tools for safety in cooking? Well, your first step would probably be an oven mitt if you were baking something. I don't really think I'll need it for this, because I'm not really baking anything, so, fuck that. Anyway, there is a very special tool that I personally need when I'm cooking. Do not, I repeat, do not try this at home, because I'm having doubts about doing it right now. Okay, so, my tool is in this bag. Allow me to put my safety tool on. A 1965 Czech Republic gas mask.
Okay, now that the gas mask is on, semi-correct, I believe. Okay. Okay, make sure you remove the safety seal on your gas mask before properly equipping it. That skillet is getting really hot. Okay. Yes, the gas mask is on. I should probably tighten it a little bit, but that can wait. So, now, my nose itches very badly. Okay, so I think something might be wrong with my skillet. Maybe not. I think my skillet's broken. Uh-oh. I'll be back after this. Okay, I am back. I have finally figured out what the problem was. It seems I was spending the whole time plugging in the toaster. Oh look, it works. Okay. But now, let's cook us up some pancakes. This might be a while. Yeah, this might take a minute. I'll cut back when we're cooking.
Gonna cook me some pancakes. Yeah, I'm not really sure what kind of other videos the rest of them will be putting up, but I figured I would start off since, you know, it's just something I do with my time. I sit around and cook pancakes. Wow, this pancake sucks. Oh god. Maybe Ethan shouldn't cook pancakes from now on. No, you get back over there and cook. Cook, damn you, cook. Yeah, I'm having second thoughts about this. Oh my god, this pancake's horrible. Ow, son of a bitch, that's hot!
Well, I imagine this video will go up pretty soon though, since this doesn't require a whole lot of editing. This is predominantly me just making myself look like a dipshit, which isn't that hard. So, how much battery life do I have left? Not a lot. Don't have a lot of battery life left. I'll grab the charger after I finish cooking these pancakes. Because, you know, you don't want to mess up pancakes. They're looking good. Let's see if I can get this baby flipped over. Aha. Bam! Oh, look at that! Oh, yeah! That is a pancake. Let's get the rest of these flipped over. Okay, I might be cooking these a little too long. Come on, get up. How do people make those nice circular pancakes? I don't understand. Oh, crap. Maybe I'm just a failure at life. It's possible. And that is what not to do. I liked that spatula. Why? Yeah, I don't get the feeling that's gonna go over so well. That kind of scared me a little bit. Okay, let me get these off of here. Nice messed up pancake. Time to cook some more. See, eggs I'm a fairly competent cook at. Maybe. I'm also a fairly competent stir-fry chef. Anything other than that though, no. I'm gonna save this spatula, just because I personally believe it is still usable. That, and so the other people will believe me that I broke spatula. Yeah. There we go. Okay, looks delicious, don't it, guys? God, I'm a failure.